Good afternoon, traders. This is Raksha from Absolute Analytics. You're watching Nifty 50 and 15 minutes time frame. So since morning, I have been explaining the immediate resistance and support, the R1, R2, R3, R4, and S1, S2, S3, R4 respectively. So more or less, rather than going on the text or the theoretical aspect, I thought why not to explain the chart and also one concept of how the price action works when between the ranges, between the levels. So this video is mostly explaining how the price action and the candlestick works, how can we predict the breakouts only based on candles in the price actions. So that is something which we are going to discuss, along with how would be the trade setup of Nifty based on this study. So first of all, the immediate resistance is at 25,670. Immediate support is at 25,625. So I would just mark a few points below, like 25,620 range here. So it has been giving fake breakouts on either side, like in resistance and support, both of the side. And basically, it is below the ORB range. So mostly, it is attracting the sell side of what do you say, bearish buys of Nifty, but still, it is above immediate support. So not at all a sell as of now. Now, what is going on here is a valid close is not above the resistance where I have marked here. So these two candles, this closed above, it opened above, but it is not a valid close. Valid close is almost 50 to 55% of the candle should be either outside the resistance or below the support. So that is one thumb rule you have to make while you are taking any entry. If it is backed up by volume, that is a amazing confirmation of that. So we're only talking about candles right now. I'm not including any volume here. I'll just show you a snapshot of our dashboard here, um, where we track the bulls and bears percentages based on our price actions and other aspects. So getting back to the point of Nifty, so there was a fake breakout here. There was a fake breakout, not a valid, not fake breakout, you can say, but when the breakout is not valid, it is tagged as a fake breakout, right? This makes sense, right? So there was no proper breakout here, there was no proper breakout here, and again on the support also there was no proper breakout here. I have been adding the C's and P's both in Nifty. Like I'm waiting for the confirmation of either side of breakout, a proper valid breakout. Now it is being giving the breakouts here, but not a valid one. It gave a breakout here, but then again the next one was a doji. It did not give me a proper confirmation. So when I'm trading, when I'm analyzing on higher time frame and a little bit of 1 or 2 points lower time frame for the confirmation. So this was a breakout. It was a valid breakout as per 5 minutes chart, but it did not break the low of this. So unless it is not breaking the low or closing below this low, I'm not going for any sell side, because I have stepped down a little bit from my actual analysis time frame, that is 15 minutes. So that is the reason I will wait for the break of the low here. So coming back to 15 points, one reason, not a valid breakout. Second reason, if I talk about our dashboard, I'll just give you a quick synopsis of our dashboard here. So here, see, the bear percentages is 80%, the bull percentages is 19%. And if you see that there is no proper buying signal, there is no proper selling signal here, there is no proper market participation here. So lot of things are going on, which is making this a non-tradable moment right now. And again, as we're talking, it came back into the no trade zone, and this is my no trade zone. This, between this range till this range, is my no trade zone. So I will not be trading in between this range at all. So it is going back again above. Excuse me for that. So it is going back again for testing the resistance here. If it is testing, it is giving a proper close above, If it is giving like 50 more than 55% of body outside resistance and taking it as a support again for the next candle, I'll be going for a buy. And the same thing in a vice versa mode. If it is breaking the support with a good valid close and testing it as a resistance, then I'll be going for the sell. That is all. So this video is more of an educational one. um, Side by side I have explained the technical aspects also. So if you have any query, or if you're confused about any particular portion of the explanation, don't hesitate to drop down in the comment. I will definitely try to clear all the doubts which you have regarding this explanation. So let's make good profit, but with proper calculation. Signing off from Absolute Analytics, this is Raksha. Let's make good profits today.